Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for staying till this period. So I have a bad air fryer day. So in this video, you can see that I'm trying to cut onions. I wanted to make powdered onion, so I decided to try it with my air fryer. After cutting my onions, I powered it on and I decided to choose dehydrate, and it's giving me 6 minutes. Even after the 6 minutes, it was going on and on, nothing changed. I had to stop it. I think I lost those videos. I just stopped the dehydration and I switched to air fry. That was my mistake. I switched to air fry. I didn't reset it. I just chose air fry and that was it. I go back to check it and can you see what the result is? Like, this is not what I planned for. This is not what I wanted. Like, it was burnt. My onions got burnt. I had to throw the onions away because I couldn't use it. But I think I will still need to try it again. If you have any suggestion how I can get it done without burning it again, I would appreciate it. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.